In this video, I will show you how I make goat's milk soap. Let's start with the lather test. After a 6-week cure, I tried this lather test. As you can see, it is creamy as well as bubbly. Beautiful lather. Okay, so New Jersey doesn't allow to sell raw milk, so that's why we have to find it from here from the store. But if you can find the raw milk, that will be great.
So I got this. This is the only one I found, so I'm going to use this one.
The first step is to mix lye and water in general soap, but for goat's milk, what we are going to do, we are going to use our frozen goat's milk and mix that with lye. So we basically just replaced water with goat's milk, but make sure you freeze it, otherwise all the milk is going to scorch. So let's take the goat's milk cubes out. So now we have all the goat's milk cubes here, and we already measured lye. We are going to mix them together. After lye and goat milk was mixed, I put them aside. Then I measured all my solid oils, solid fats in one container and then melted using a microwave. Once they are melted, I added my liquid fats into it, and I only used one oil, that is olive oil pomace. Then I started adding lye to the oils, slowly and carefully. Then mix both using a spatula until the separation level is not as much as it is seen right now. When it starts looking like this, that's when I start stick blending. In case you want to add color, this is the point where you add mica to your soap batter. If I want to add fragrance, this is the point I add fragrance to my soap. But today I'm not adding any fragrance, so I will reach to a thick trace. Because I'm not adding any fragrance or any color to my soap, so it's ready to pour in the mold. This is an optional step, but I like to spray my soap with isopropanol to avoid a layer of soda ash on top. "48 hours later, the soap came out of the mold easily, and I cut it the same day and left it to cure for 6 weeks before I did the lather test. And there it is, a beautiful goat's milk soap with no added fragrance and no color. This was a custom recipe for a client, but you can use any recipe that you have available and just replace the water with frozen goat's milk. That's all you have to do. Happy soaping. See you in the next one.